Welcome back. Today I will talk about types of traders. So for all Forex traders will lose money on some trades. 90% of the traders lose money. Largely depends on the lack of planning, training, discipline, and having poor money management rules. If you hate or lose or are a super perfectionist, you also probably have a hard time to adjusting to trading because all traders lose trades at some point or another. Trading Forex is not for an unemployed, those on low incomes, or you need to pay for your credit card bills, you need to pay for the electricity bills. You should have at least a trading capital that you afford to lose. Don't expect to start an account with few $100s and expect to become a billionaire. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and skilled traders can do or make money in this field. However, like any other occupation or career, success doesn't just happen overnight. So Forex trading isn't a piece of cake. And think about it, if it was, everyone trading would already become millionaires. The Forex market is one of the most popular markets for speculation due to enormous size, and I've talked about it in our first class. And the problem is that many traders come with the misguided hope of making a gazillion bucks, but in reality they lack the discipline required for really learning the art of trading. Most people usually lack of the discipline to stick to a diet or go to the gym for at least 3 times a week. So if you are ready to become a trader, a trading strategy that involves taking a massive degree of risk means suffering in inconsistent trading performance and large losses. A trader who does this probably doesn't even have a trading strategy, unless you call it gambling. So knowing different types of trading styles is very important for you to start. So what types of traders are you? Are you a scalper, intraday, day trader, swing trader, position trader, trend trader, or a counter trend trader? So every trader are unique. You have to choose your own types of traders due to your own personality. So trading is in the same way, but our unique personalities will lead us to trade differently from one another. Some may call aggressive type A personality traders, while others may be more relaxed. Some people may be aggressive, some people may be conservative. So for the aggressive, maybe you would like to choose to be a scalper, day trader, which you would need to know the result in a day. For the people who have the patience, they may choose for the swing traders, position traders. This is for the long-term trade. So first I will talk about scalping. Scalping is like those high-action thriller movies, and it keeps you on the edge of your seat. It is fast-paced, exciting, and mind-waving all at once. And these type of trades are usually only held for a few seconds to few minutes at the most. So you will choose the time frame of 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. This is called the scalpers. The main objective for the Forex scalpers is to grab very small amount of PIP as many times as they can throughout the busiest times of the day. So you may have many trades in a day, and you need to sit in front of the computer because every pips, every single candles is represented by 5 minutes or 1 minute or even 15 minutes. Because scalpers basically have to be glued to the chart, it is best suited for those who can spend several hours of undivided attention to their trading. It requires intense focus and quick thinking to be successful. You need to make decisions every minute. It is not for those looking for the big wins all the time, but rather for those who look for the regular small profits over the long run to make an overall profit. So you might be a Forex scalper if you like fast trading and excitement. You don't mind being focused on your charts for several hours at a day. You are an impatient person who doesn't like to wait for long trades, and you can think fast and change bias or direction quickly. But if you are not the above points, you must not become a Forex scalper. So you might not be a Forex scalper if you easily get stressed in a fast-moving environment. You can't commit several hours of undivided attention to your chart. You rather make fewer trades with higher profit gains. You take your time to analyze the overall picture of the market. So this is the two different types of personalities. the different type of personalities make you to choose whether you want to become a scalper or become a long-term trader. So the scalpers, you need to trade only the liquid pairs. The liquid pairs is like Euro USD, GBP, USD France, USD JPY. Offer the tightest spreads because you tend to enter many times and you need to pay for the spread. So you need to look for the lower spread. You want your spread to be as tight as possible since you will be entering the market frequently. Trade only during the busiest times of the day. And this is also one of the important points to control your costs. The most liquidity times of the day are during the sessions overlaps. This is from 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. and 8 a.m. to 12 noon Eastern Time. So make sure you follow good money management. This goes for any type of trading, but since you are making so many trades within a day, it is especially important that you are sticking to the risk management practice. And my second class talk about risk management. And if you would like to refer, you can go back to my second class. Next, we will talk about day trader. Day trading is another short-term trading style, but I like scalping. You are typically only taking one trade a day and closing it out when the day is over. These traders like picking a side at the beginning of the day, acting on their bias, and then finishing the day with either a profit or a loss. They don't like to hold the trades overnight. Day trading are suited for forex traders that have enough time throughout the day to analyze, execute, and monitor a trade. If you think scalping is too fast, but swing trading is a bit slow for your taste, and then the day trading might be yours. So we will also compare. So if you would want to become a day trader, if you like beginning and ending a trade within a day, you have time to analyze the market at the beginning of the day and can monitor it throughout the day. You like to know whether or not you win or lost at the end of the day. So in this case, you will be choosing the time frame of 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, or the 30 minutes time charts. And these every candles will represent 1 hour or 4 hour or even daily. So it is not as fast as the scalpers, which is that each candle represented by the 5 minutes or 15 minutes. So if you might not become a forex day trader, you like longer or shorter term trading. You don't have time to analyze the markets and monitor it throughout the day, and you have a day job. So day trading, you stay informed on the latest fundamentals events to help you choose a direction. You will want to keep yourself up to date on the last economic news so you can make your trading decision on the beginning of the day. Do you have time to monitor your trade? If you are doing a full-time job, maybe you can't manage your time between your work and your trading. So basically, don't get fired from your job because you are always looking for the chart. All for today's classes, and I will continue to talk about other type of traders in our next class. See you again.